Hey guys, it's Taya back with another video. I'm not going to be wasting any time with the long intro today. We're just going to go ahead and jump right into it. I was trying to figure out what type of twist I wanted to do today. So I just decided to go ahead and just detangle my hair and then go from there. So as you guys can see, I'll be using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey leave-in conditioner. Well, actually this is their regular conditioner, but I decided to go ahead and leave it in. You guys know I told you before that I sometimes like to use regular conditioners as leave-ins, and this one is pretty lightweight, so I went on ahead and used it today. What I'm doing now is pretty much just detangling my hair. I'll be starting out with my tangle teaser and going from the bottom and just kind of working my way up just to make sure that my hair is nice and detangled. You guys can already see that I've sectioned off my hair and I've pretty much done the rest. So what I'm showing you guys here is just a twist, and what I'm doing is just pulling my hair nice and taut and making sure that I'm taking one side, side A, side B, and I'm just twisting them around each other, working my way down. Once I get to the bottom, I'm just gonna twirl my fingers around my hair, and that's it. That's the completed look for you guys today. So this video was really quick, easy, and short. Nah guys, I'm just kidding. Let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial for real. So I'm going to be doing mini twists. I decided to go ahead and do mini twists. That was just me prepping my hair, showing you guys what I like to do before I get started. Because I wanted to do this on stretched hair, I decided to go ahead and pre-twist my hair. So here I'll be using the Curls Blueberry Bliss, and I've already started this twist. What I was showing you guys is just the consistency of the Curls Blueberry Bliss. I'm just putting that at the end, and that is their curl jelly. So I'm taking that, putting that at the end, and pretty much just twirling it around my hair. Now you guys don't have to do this. If you don't want to use gel, you don't have to. It's optional. But I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do the twist, and I'm not parting my hair in no particular way, guys. I pretty much just sectioned off my hair, just took a little section. I'm doing mini twists, so I didn't want to take them too big, so I'm starting off with a small section of hair here, and I'm just twisting it around, you guys. Again, just kind of pulling it taut, and I'm just twisting it all the way down. Oh, and I didn't mention that I'm using, for my styler, I'll be using my DIY Shea butter mix. So if you guys haven't already checked out that video, I'll go ahead and link it in the cards above, and you can see how I make it. Again, it's just my DIY Shea butter mix, and then when I get to the bottom, I'm just adding that Curls Blueberry Bliss jelly, and that's just to give me like a little bit of hold at the end. So as you guys can see, there goes my DIY Shea butter mix. I wanted to show you guys here, and I'm just showing you guys like the consistency. A lot of you have been asking me like if it hardens. I just wanted to show you guys here. Once you put it in your hand, it gets pretty liquidy. So nope, mine doesn't harden. So here you're just going to be taking the two sections of hair again and just pretty much pulling it taut, and yeah, and I'm just going to be twisting, guys. It's pretty repetitive. I didn't want to show you guys the whole thing because I felt like that would be a pretty boring video, so I just skipped over to the next day where I'm just finishing up my hair, making sure I add that little bit of gel on the end just to hold it and give it some curl. And this is the final look, you guys. I am all done. I think my twist looks so nice and juicy and so bouncy. I'm just loving it. So now I'm just gonna move on to the styling portion. Okay guys, so here comes the fun part. As you can see, I'm just adding a little bit of hair jewelry, and I just put a little bit of bobby pins in the front and just kind of gave it like a side part, and this was pretty much that look. For the second style, I'm going to be just doing like a side part. So I'm just taking like a little small rubber band, nothing too big so you can't really see it in my hair, and I'm just pulling all the back of my hair or all my twists to the side, putting it in this little tiny rubber band, and yeah, just giving this little side part with a bang, and that's the second look that I'll be doing. I think this is really cute, perfect for just going out, hanging out, just a really fun, girly kind of look. Now I'll be moving on to another style. I think here I decided to go ahead and do like something fun, cute, girly, 2 little puffs or space buns, whatever you want to call them. I just decided to go ahead and do that for another style. And I left the bobby pins in because I really liked that look. I thought that was really cute. And if you guys are not into like the super girly or super kiddish look, I know some people do not like the little space bun, but that's okay. You can always just do something to get your twist out of your face, but give it like a little bit more of a grown and sexy, sophisticated look. So I'll just be taking my bobby pins out of my hair and showing you guys another style that you can do while still getting your twist out of your face a little bit. So I'll just go ahead and put all of my hair up. I'm going to be putting it like in a high puff or like a high bun. And I'll just be wrapping a pony around my hair, not too tight, taking my hair and just kind of twisting it around and making a bun or like a ninja bun. I think that's what they call it. So that's what I'll be doing for this style, and this is the finished look. I just left a little bit of down just to give it some extra flair. You guys know me. I wouldn't be me if I didn't do a little extra something. So that is that final look. And the last look, I think will be perfect for like an office style, a wedding, anything that you need to be like kind of super glam, high fashion. I think this last style is just super cute. What I'm going to be doing is just taking my hair down and pretty much just flat twisting on the side. I'm just going to be wrapping my hair around one another. The same thing like the twist, but just flat twisting. For my girls that cannot cornrow, the style is perfect for you. And I'm just going to twist it all the way around and make a bun in the back. And here is that style. I just went on ahead and added a little bit of jewelry. And that is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it for you. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay blessed, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.